thunderstorm warning for South Central Williamson County, Northeastern Travis County, North Central Bastrop County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Austin, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicator. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Pflugerville, Taylor, Elgin, Windermere, Hutto, Manor, Westlake Hills, Rollingwood, Copeland, Hornsby Bend, Sunset Valley, Rice's Crossing, Wells Branch, Cedar Hills, Camp Mabry, Butler, Lost Creek, and McDade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.